Okay, here I have the real tool in my shop. It's the Masterfix XGRIP N10QI. It's a really nice tool for the rivets. And the customer told that this tool not working sometimes. So normally it's a cause of the grease missing. So okay, I will check that. As I see, I don't have a grease now for it, but I will deassemble it. We will check it what's inside of it, because it's really a great tool, professional tool for heavy duty. So okay, I will start from the bottom of it. Here you can adjust the power of the how strong it pulls the rivet. Just by pressing it, it shows here. It's so really okay. It's a safety valve. Okay, now I will remove this ring. It's a very soft ring made from plastic. So I will remove it with a screwdriver. Okay. Now this cover. Okay, it's a regulator. This here, it's just spins and regulates this. Okay, we need to unscrew this once. I will check. Okay, it's a mess here. Okay, so you are here. Okay. Okay, it's a really nice tool. Okay, the one is out. The washer here. I will try to take it with my pliers. Okay. Okay, so now I will remove the cover. Okay, you're getting out. Okay, so okay, I will put you here. Okay, you can just pull it out. You need to check all it. It must be nice, clean. Have no scratches. Okay, as you can see, it's a very nice and very clean. Of course, check all O-rings. Do that very carefully. Put a lot of attention in that. Okay, it's good. Okay, I'm putting the parts on the paper because I don't want them to get dirty. It's not a hammer drill, so okay. Second part. As you can see, the bubbles in the grease here shows that this tool are getting the air to the whole system. That's not good for this tool. Okay, I will clean it with paper. Okay, it's okay, you need to check this. Okay, this one must be nice and shiny with no scratches. Okay, it's look good. Okay, I will clean this grease. I will grease it again later. You need to grease it with a O-rings grease. So I don't know, you can use R plus M or some other grease. So I think it's no difference in that. Okay, now we have grease here and we need to take it out somehow. Okay, it's air here, so it's really not good. I will just take it out. Just, of course, it's very easy. Okay, grease is out. Okay, check these parts. They must look as new. Okay, it's a little bit wobbling. It's strange because normally you need to power some powers to unscrew this. Okay. As you can see, I'm inserting the other end to the hole here. It's okay. And I recommend you not to change the places of this. If you take it from here, just put it back here. Okay, now I'm putting it out. Okay, pulling it out. Okay, what we have here. Of course, all parts and tool like that must be shiny and nice. And of course, clean when you're assembling it. Okay, so check the O-ring, it looks good. Okay, okay, so it's the inside housing. Okay, so I will put some paper here because the grease will go out. Okay, now I will unscrew this screw to get more air into the tool, and of course the grease will go out easier. Okay, be gentle with tool like this, because really it's a high quality and precision tool, so okay, normally if you are thinking to repair it yourself, I don't know, of course you can, but be very careful, and I recommend to make a video how you are disassembling it, because it can help you a lot when it will need to assemble it again. Okay, now this head, I will do that not in a proper way. Okay. Okay. Now. Okay. This one. Okay. Must go out. Okay. We can pull the sleeve. And then we will unscrew the holder. Okay, it's out. Now we need to unscrew this one. You can do that like that, but be very gentle to not to break it. Don't press this part. Of course, the best way is to use the wrench key. Okay, now we can see some dirt here. It's not a big problem, but of course it's a dirt. Okay. So, okay, if I could remember, I can unscrew this by holding this one, but it's not needed for now. Okay, now this end. Of course, it will be very good if you have the key with here with a pin. I don't have it, so I will try to make that with a paper and my pliers. Of course, need to be very gentle when doing things like this. Okay, it's going. It's a spring inside, so be careful. Okay, I'll try to hold it like that. Okay, you can see the grease here, it's nothing bad, it's good. The wall here, the washer inside. Yep, you can see the washer, of course. We are cleaning it and putting back. Okay, it's a spring here. You need to check the springs, the tension. Okay, now getting it back, and a small spring. Okay. Okay, I will put it here. Now it's a cover. Okay, you can see some dirty grease here. Maybe it's not very good. Okay, we need to remove this one, but first of all, we need to remove this pin. Okay. I will take it with the pliers. Okay, don't lose this pin. It costs money, man. Okay, now I will try to push it out. It will go gentle. Of course, normally I recommend to unscrew this part, but okay. Okay, so what we have here? It's a motor for this tool. It's all the power here. Okay, I will take it now to the side. I will unscrew this one. I see something in there. Okay, I will do that with. Okay, it's not very easy, even for me, and I'm very strong. Okay. Okay, so a little bit damage at this part. It's nothing bad, but still, if you have a wrench for it, use a wrench. I don't have it because it's a not very common tool in my shop, my service shop. So okay, you can see the sleeve there. It's O-rings, and normally, if the tool is getting the air, it will be the problem of this one. Of course, now it's flat, and it's really hard, so I think it's a problem with it. Of course, I haven't changed this O-ring and this oil seal. It's a second oil seal there. Okay, now I need a tool to remove it. I will try to do that with these pliers. Normally it's a plate with a tube, but I think I will be able to do that with this one. Yes. Okay, now I think I will do that with my finger. Okay. Or maybe with screwdriver. Okay, it's turning around, it's going out. Okay. Okay. Now I can turn it out like that. Okay. It's here. So it's a nice sleeve. Okay, and we see the oil seal there. I will try to remove it gently. Okay, of course, we need to change it. It's a nice green oil seal. Okay, so that's all with the housing. I will leave some paper inside because I don't want to grease go out, just for not making mess. Okay, now this motor, normally this one goes as a one part, so it's it don't need you to disassemble it. If it not work, the tool not work, at least even not work. So just okay. But if you decided to disassemble it and clean it, okay, be really careful. Because as I told, it's a professional tool and it's really need to take attention. Okay, I will try to screw it with a hand. No. Okay. So as you can see, it's some dirt grease here. Okay. I will try to unscrew it. I will take some new paper. Nice clean paper. Okay. Such screws holding this back plate. Okay. It's a pin here. Of course, you can inspect the O-ring. Okay, we see some dirt here. I'm cleaning it. Okay. Okay, now you can see some cap here. Easy way to remove it. Okay, not so easy. So I will try to do that with a key. Okay, I will take my tank tools hook. Okay. Okay, it's a ball here and the second ball is 2 balls here. Don't lose them because the tool will not work without them. Okay, it's 2 O-rings here, a little bit dirty here, so we will clean it. Okay, now if you want to go more inside, you need to unscrew this part. Honestly, I don't want to do that, but of course I will do that. Okay, I will put it to the vise and unscrew by holding this one. Okay, I'm doing that very gentle, so that's why I'm out of the video. Okay. Okay, I inserted this into the vise, and then turn it in here because of 2 flat faces. So now okay, it's a still we can see some dirt here. We can remove this one. Okay, it's a pin again and some dirt. Okay. It's the same cap there. Okay, I will try to clean the dirt here. Okay. Okay, so it's strange, but it's almost clean here. Okay, I will put it back because I don't want to mess them. Okay, if you don't mind, and the pull balls back. Okay. Okay, I will screw the screws in. I don't want to lose all these parts, so that's why I'm assembling it back. Okay. That's an example how you can lose the parts. Okay, just use a little bit force to screw them in. Okay, so here's the assy. You need to check it from dirt. Okay, so it's some dirt here. Okay, I will not go to it inside because I'm afraid of that. So that's okay. Now when you are assembling it, just make sure the pin is going to the hole here. Okay, and I will screw it in. Okay, so that's all you need to about grease. Normally you need to put grease in that you are using for your all pneumatic tools with air, so it's common use grease. Just I'm run out of that grease and it will be not enough for the tool, so I will back with assemble video. And of course I need new oil seals, so I will be back with this tool when I will get a new oil seals and a grease.